Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just going to be doing a quick little get ready type video with me. My son has his first regular season hockey game tonight, so I just wanted to put a little bit of makeup on and I thought I would film that while doing so. So we're going to get right into it. Before we start the look, if you guys could like this video and subscribe to my channel, that would be so awesome and I would thank you so much. All right, so I'm going to use the CoverGirl Clean and Fresh Skin Milk. I have this in the shade medium, which is 560. This is just a nice light skin tint, moisturizing face foundation product. It's nice and light and it leaves the skin looking pretty hydrated, so I don't really want too much on my face tonight. So we had an exhibition game on the weekend and that went really well, and now the first regular season game. It's always like it's a lot of nerves and anticipation when you're first getting into the season, just seeing how everybody plays together and just all of it. It's a lot of fun, a lot of high energy, excitement. So good. If anybody has kids and sports, they know the feeling. Before I put my concealer on, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand in the shade Champagne. I like to do this often when I'm doing like a minimal makeup look. It just gives a nice glow and radiance under the eye and just doesn't look too over highlighted, but it does give a nice subtle radiance underneath your concealer. So who is in it? I haven't talked about it yet, but like, are you all in for the Travis and Taylor relationship? I am. I'm all in. Feel like I've been thinking about it before it even happened. Like, if there was a perfect person for her, like, it would be him. I'm sorry. If you're not about it, then that's a shame. I'm sorry for you, but I am all about it. And I feel like listening to her songs now, like, it just feels like that's the person she would be writing about. So their energy matches, their vibe, they're just, I don't know. It's like watching a little romance novel unfold, or a little rom-com, or watching, like, I don't know. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. So we got nice little brightness and radiance under the eye, and now I'm going to go in with my butter bronzer and just a big fluffy powder brush, and this will be my bronzing slash contour for the day. What else has been going on? I don't know. It just feels like I'm glad September's over. Like, it's so busy and now we're settled more into a routine. So I feel a little bit more at ease, but I don't know. I have a cavity. Found out that this week. Wasn't excited about that. Got to get that filled now. I'm like, what was it? I'm pretty particular with my teeth, but I'm like, is it the extra spoonful of sugar in my coffee? Like, I don't know. I feel like sometimes after summer, this has happened before, where I'll get a cavity because you're just living your best life in summertime and enjoying all the treats and all the snacks and all the good stuff. All right, now I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl True Blend So Flushed High Pigmented Bronzer in the shade Sun Glitz, just for a little bit more iridescence and glow on the cheekbones. I'm going to do a super simple eye look today. I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution palette, starting off with an angled brush. I'm going to go into this chocolate brown shade and just go right along the lash line and kind of cut up and make like a little triangle on the outer V. I love the shape that this gives to the eye. And I'm going to go into the black now. just go right along the lash line. Just kind of blend that into the brown. Wing it out. All right, so this was what it looks like on both eyes with that chocolate brown and black. And now I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go in with a taupe that's a little bit lighter than that chocolate brown, and I'm just going to kind of follow that same direction. Just kind of buff it out over top. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This is from Mud. It is an 800S brush, and I'm going to go into an even lighter taupe and just blend that out on the upper brow bone, not in the crease, but on top of the brow bone area. I just dusted this brush off a little bit. Now I'm going to go into this creamy neutral color, this light color, and just kind of blend that over my lid. This is just blending everything together. This can go up in the crease. And then you can go even into the lighter shade and go right in the inner part of the eye, the inner corner of the lid, into that crease right there. All right, I just put some mascara on, did my lips with my lip combo that I always do. Annabelle eyebrow pencil and taupe, and Bare to Compare lip gel from Wet n Wild, and then just some Vaseline on my lips. This is the combo that I will always do, and if I don't, I will let you know. So when you see my lips done, that is what it is. All right, this is the final look. Super easy and simple and quick eyeshadow tutorial for you guys to recreate for a daily look or for a sporting event that you have to go to. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again in my next video.